미 합중국 대통령은 이에 예를 표시하면서 조미 사이에 선의의 대화가 진행되는 방안.
This morning, tensions are rising on the Korean peninsula.
After North Korea.
North Korea.
In North Korea.
Starting in North Korea.
You ever wondered where Kim Jong Un gets the money for his cognacs, his Mercedes, or his Rolex watches? Or how it's even possible that North Korea, which is one of the poorest countries on earth,
North Korea launching yet another missile,
can finance a nuclear weapons program
It was a long-range ICBM.
large enough to challenge the USA?
This one traveled more than 600 miles for about an hour before landing in the Sea of Japan.
Well, the answer is Bureau 39, or Office 39, a legendary and shadowy organization nestled deep inside the government apparatus, and its aim is to procure foreign exchange by any means necessary in order to provide Kim Jong Un and his regime with money. One of the primary ways that Office 39 contributes to North Korea's GDP is by earning foreign currency through illicit means. That means drug manufacturing, narcotics trafficking, counterfeiting $100 bills, gold smuggling, arms dealing, and slave labor.
State media is also claiming that hundreds of North Korean orphans are voluntarily working on farms and in coal mines.
State media says these orphans are eager to show their loyalty, to fulfill their oath, to repay the ruling Workers' Party.
These are just a handful of the very illegal activities that Office 39 has sponsored since Kim's late father, Kim Jong Il, launched it in 1974. A North Korean defector and former Office 39 executive, Jason Lee, said it's like a personal bank account for Kim Jong Un. The most lucrative method of money making is through a range of cybercrimes against financial institutions, government agencies, and other organizations. For example, in 2016, Korean hackers attacked Bangladesh Bank.
Cyber thieves stole $81 million from the Bangladesh bank's account with the US Federal Reserve.
By then, the Central Bank of Bangladesh had lost $101 million from its account with the Fed.
The department has charged 3 North Korean military intelligence officials of using cyber attacks to steal $1.3 billion in crypto and traditional currencies.
Furthermore, Office 39 has been linked to a range of attacks on cryptocurrency exchanges, including a record $4 billion, which is stolen in 2022 alone. And then there's the ransomware attacks, including the WannaCry attack in 2017, which affected hundreds of thousands of computers all around the world and caused billions of dollars in damages.
North Korea has been targeted with tougher and tougher sanctions.
Now, overall, the exact extent of Office 39's contribution to North Korea's economy is not known, but it is believed to be a very critical part of the country's efforts in order to evade international sanctions and raise revenue for its regime.
We've been taken to a department store in the center of Pyongyang. Despite the international sanctions, the shelves here are full.
We managed to visit a number of shops in the city centre. All were upmarket places catering to the elite. We found no shortages and luxury items like chocolates and bottles of alcohol that were clearly smuggled in defiance of the sanctions.
Therefore advancing the country's economic and political goals.